Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a brand story with StoryBrand detailed guide step by step clearly.
Begin by identifying your target audience. Understand who your ideal customer is. Consider their demographics, needs, and pain points.
Next, define the problem your audience faces.
Clarify why this problem is significant for them.
Then, position your brand as the solution to this problem. Outline how your product or service effectively addresses their needs.
Introduce the main character of your story, your customer. Highlight their journey and experiences.
Create a relatable narrative that resonates with your audience.
Once the character and problem are established, outline your brand's mission.
Explain how your mission aligns with your customer's vision. Now, introduce a guide or mentor in your story.
This could be your brand or an influential figure related to your business. Articulate the wisdom or tools this mentor provides. Next, provide a clear plan your audience can follow. This plan should be straightforward and easy to implement.
Emphasize the benefits of following this plan. Share real-life examples of transformations or successes. Describe the positive outcomes your customers can expect. Address potential objections or fears your audience may have. Reassure them by acknowledging these concerns sensitively. Conclude by calling your audience to action. Make this call clear and specific. Reinforce the importance of taking this step for their journey. Finally, wrap up your brand story by reiterating your mission. Ensure it reflects your commitment to your customer's success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.